So today we are catching and cooking Morwong in Sydney. The visibility was pretty nice, and as my friend Wei made a dive, he spotted the beautiful red fish. So Morwong are often found in the temperate waters of Australia and New Zealand. They are a bottom-dwelling fish living on or near the seafloor in coastal reefs. They are known for being inquisitive and not particularly shy, and they will often approach divers out of curiosity. They are also known to be quite territorial and will not swim away as quickly as other fish. This actually makes them a more reliable target. To spearfish them, you typically find them near rocky reefs and kelp beds, often in groups of two. Some Morwong are carnivorous and feed on a variety of invertebrates found on the reef and seafloor. The diet includes shellfish, crustaceans, and worms. This diet is what gives their flesh a clean, distinct flavor. Morwong is excellent for ceviche because its firm, white flesh holds up beautifully to the acidic marinade. Unlike softer fish that can get mushy, Morwong stays intact, offering a clean flavor that perfectly complements the citrus and spices. So to make ceviche, the fish needs to be pretty fresh. So as soon as you catch it, you need to kill it, gut it, and put it on ice. So after cutting and skinning the fish, you need to cut it into small half-inch cubes. Then juice enough lime to fully cover the fish in the bowl. The acid in the lime juice will change the color and texture of the fish, turning it opaque and firm. Then you should let it marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can also add red onions, garlic, avocado, oil, etc. So once the fish is firm and opaque, don't forget to drain most of the lime juice, otherwise it's not really gonna taste good. Then you can directly eat it with tortilla chips or crackers.